Boom, we're in it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alchemic Power with your man, Handy Andy. Today we got small tenant improvement, replacing 5 light fixtures, 1 bathroom fan. Install those, reseismic, reconnect everything, make this space look a lot nicer. All right, guys, let's get into it. La 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 la. Found a new pair of side cutters in the ceiling. Ah, look at these. Kleins. They're Kleins. Hey, this is just a small tenant improvement project that I'd like to show you guys. We got some bigger projects coming up in the future. So if you're looking for work, if you want to become an electrician, feel free to reach out, www.alchemicpower.com. Apply, send your resume. We're actively looking to hire people. Please reach out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. Like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.